It disappears when the night is full of tears. I'll be holding on when I stand alone.
The whole rap was a setup. You don't put guys like that into a room together.
Me and Fenster heard about a little job.
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.
Kaiser Soze!
It was Kaiser Soze, Agent Koyen. I mean, the devil himself.
What happened next?
How do you shoot the devil in the back? What if you miss?
I remember the day I got cable TV.
It was especially a big issue to have cable on your block, because not everyone had it.
I remember when I was a kid and Teddy Manch down the street got cable TV, and I wouldn't leave his house.
It made me cut down on my social life, but enjoy movies a lot more.
I'll be reaching for